Today's my topic is a pathogenic bacteria. So first of all, what is a pathogenic bacteria? Pathogenic bacteria is a contribute to other globally important disease such as a pneumonia which can be caused by bacteria such as streptococcus, pseudomonas and foodborne illness which can be caused by bacteria such as Shigella, Cymolocobacter and Salmonella. Okay, human pathogen transmission. Okay, in a human, infection is caused by airborne transmission. Infection is caused by contaminated of water. Infection caused by contact and feces, and infection is caused by pathogen in blood stream and tissues. So these are the four human pathogen transmission. um, a human pathogen is a pathogen that causes a disease in a human. Okay, the human physiological defense against common pathogen is mainly the responsibility of the immune system with the help by some of the body's normal flora and fauna. Bacillus anthracis. Okay, so in the today we are discussing about Bacillus anthracis. This is the pathogenic bacteria. So what is the Bacillus anthracis? The Bacillus anthracis is a gram positive spore forming rod. It was the first bacterium to be used to prove the bacteria causes disease. When the Robert Koch in 1877 produced anthrax spores and injected them into animals, Bacillus anthracis is commonly found in a soil of grazing areas. The Bacillus anthracis is found in a human and animals both. So we discussing about Bacillus anthracis. This is the structure of Bacillus anthracis which is seen in the microscope. And what is a Bacillus anthracis? Bacillus anthracis is the agent of anthrax A, common disease of livestock and occasionally of a human, and the only obligate pathogen within the genus Bacillus. So they only obligate with the genus Bacillus. Scientific classification. The Bacillus anthracis scientific classification, the domain is a bacteria, class is a Bacilli, order a Bacillus, family Bacilliaceae and species B. anthracis. This is a structure of B. anthracis which can also show in the microscope. There is a plasmids, endospores, nucleoid, capsule, cell wall and plasma membrane, and its diameter is 1 mm. So this is a structure of anthrax bacterium, Bacillus anthracis. So in this structure we can show cytoplasma, cortex, endospore, DNA, ribosome, spore coat in the center of spore DNA, spore wall, spore membrane, cell membrane. This is a wall is called cell wall, capsule, and this is a Bacillus anthracis rods, and in the upper of Bacillus anthracis rods we see this is a spores. So there is a description about anthracis. What is the anthracis? We know anthracis are a rod shaped bacteria. Okay, this is a Bacillus anthracis rods, and the upper side we can see the spores. Let's move on the description. So anthracis are a rod shaped bacteria, approximately 3 to 5 micrometers long and 1 to 1.2 micrometers wide. When grow in a culture, they tend to form a long chain of bacteria. On agar plates, they form large colonies several millimeters across that are generally white or cream colored. Let's move on. The most B. anthracis strains produced capsulate that gives colonies a slimy mucus like appearance, and there is a diagram of it like this. Okay. Let's move on to genome structure. Anthracis has a single chromosome which is circular in this number of BP, and DNA molecule, it also has a two circular extra chromosomal double stranded DNA plasmids PX01 and PX02. These are the double stranded DNA plasmids. Both PX01 and PX02 plasmids are required for full volumes and represent two distinct plasmid families. Okay, means they both required different families. Okay, and there is some structure, and there is also some structure we can see rod shaped bacteria, and this is some anthracis type of structure. First structure is like this. First is like some circle and this. Okay. Manifestations in human disease. Okay, so how can we know about this disease? The symptoms in anthrax depends on the type of infection. Okay, so disease depend on the type of infection and can take anywhere from 1 day to more than 2 months to appear. Means it's very dangerous maybe because it's take 1 day to 2 months appear. Means it's very hardly know about this disease. All type of anthrax have the potential, if untreated, to spread throughout the body and causes several illness and even death. Okay, means also it's very dangerous. It's causes illness and death is also, because it takes a long time for know about this disease, and it's also harmful for us. Four forms of human anthrax disease are recognized based on their portal of entry. Prevention and treatment. So, what is the prevention and treatment? A number of anthrax vaccines have been developed for prevention using livestock and humans. Number of anthrax vaccines absorbed AVA, means anthrax vaccine absorbed may protect against cutaneous and inhalation anthrax. However, this vaccine is only used for at-risk adults before exposure to anthrax and has not been approved for us after exposure. Infection with B anthrax can be treated with B-lactam antibodies. There is a name of the antibodies from against of the anthracis. Infection with B anthracis can be treated with the B-lactam antibodies such as a penicillin and other which are active against gram-positive bacteria. Penicillin resistant B anthracis can be treated with floral quinolones such as ciprofloxacin or tetracycline. Antibodies such as doxycycline. There is some structure how to Bacillus anthracis is spread. Okay, there is the bacterial known as a Bacillus anthracis produce dormant spores, not active, that can live in the environment like a soil for a long time, even decades. Okay, the bacteria known as the Bacillus anthracis produce dormant spores. The second part is when spores get into the body of animal or person, a place rich with water, sugars and other nutrients, they can be activated and turn into active growing cell. Okay, means this type of bacteria is active in animals and human both of all. The next stick, when they become activate, the bacteria can multiply spread out in the body. means when they enter in our body and they rapidly spread out in our body, produce toxins, poisons. It is very dangerous and causes several illness and death also. And there is some anthrax cycle. Okay, continuous beating fly from infect an animal, injection, inhalation, anthrax spores, cutaneous exposure to oxygen, injection, inhalation, vegetation, forma, animal waste. So we can see this is very dangerous for human, animals, and environment. It's very spread rapidly. Okay, this is from human to animal, animal to human, human to animal, animal to human. Let's move on to laboratory research. Advances in genotyping methods have led to improved genetic analysis for variation and relatedness. This method, this is a current laboratory research method. This method include multiple locus variable number, tandem, repeat analysis, MLVA, and typing system using conical single nucleotide poly. Move on to laboratory research. This is a advanced laboratory research. Advance in a genotyping method have led to improved genetic analysis for variation and relatedness. This method include multiple locus variable number of tandem, rapid analysis, and typing system using conical single nucleotide polymorphism. This is anthrax test vaccine, and thank you.